to have my 7th graders come out and help me because, listen please, are you listening? You're dancing. Shh, guys, I need more focus than what you're giving me. Can we fix the circle? Good job. I have my 7th graders out here, partly because when I have the 8th graders out, we're all going to cry. And second, because we have had like the most 7th graders ever. And most of you guys have been a part of this program since before 7th grade. So I'm just really proud of all of you guys as well as the rest of my cast as well. We're going to do our little ritual, and then tomorrow night we'll do it with our 8th graders. All right, so face out. Guys, can you start off quietly? Guys, why are you talking still? Finish. All right.
You can't ride my little red wagon. The axle's broken and the wheels are sad. Second verse, same as the first. A little bit louder and a little bit worse. You can't ride in my little red wagon. The axle's broken and the wheels are sagging. Second verse, same as the first. A little bit louder and a little bit worse. You can't ride in my little red wagon. The axle's broken and the wheels are sagging. Second verse, same as the first. A little bit louder and a little bit worse. You can't ride in my little red wagon. The axle's broken and the wheels are sagging. Second verse, same as the first. A little bit louder and a little bit worse. You can't ride in my little red wagon. The axle's broken and the wheels are sagging. Second verse, same as the first. A little bit louder and a little bit worse.
I am fired up. Are you fired up?
Yeah!
Are you fired up?
Yeah!
The diesel. Ladies and gentlemen, back behind the curtain. Your house is now open. You are silent. You are focused. Thank you for all your help, though. Yes. Would you just give me fun?